Deadly cobra venom sells for $4,000 per gram, making it one of the most expensive liquids in the world. Snakes are carefully handled by trained professionals wearing protective gear. The snake's head is positioned over a glass container covered with latex. When the snake bites, venom is released into the container. One cobra can only produce about 30 drops of venom per collection. The snake needs 2 weeks to regenerate venom, and the collection process is repeated. Handlers milk hundreds of snakes daily to meet medical research demands. This dangerous job saves countless lives as the venom is used to produce life-saving antivenom.